So, thinking about now our topic of patient voice, how does your company sort of build into the system, incorporating the patient's voice?
Yes, absolutely. That is so critical. I mean, and we really live the patient journey um, in a number of different ways. So, first and foremost, we have patients who have survived stroke or other traumatic brain injuries and are on the product team. They are in there developing the product. So right from the very base, we have patients kind of bringing in their experience into the fabric of the product. The other thing that we are very proud of is also bringing therapists into the product design process. And, these are therapists who have seen hundreds and thousands of patients across their lifetime, and they understand at a more macro level what are some of the commonalities and what are some of the biggest challenges that patients face. Even though, as you know, every patient is going to present themselves quite differently, but yet there are some universal factors that we are able to take into consideration. And gosh, we do so much more. We are, looking at patient research. We are also, I personally listen to podcasts to really understand the patient journey. And, I do have to give a shout out to a very lovely podcast called Recovery After Stroke. And they have done an amazing job of just talking to patients and caregivers. And I think listening to those stories unfiltered without saying, hey, this is for market research purposes, is such a fantastic way of integrating their stories and their experiences into our product.